What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a counterbalance monitor arm that you can use with your monitor. So let's go ahead and open this up, take a look at it, and go over the features. All right, so the first thing that you're going to notice whenever you open this up is going to be your user manual. So that's the manual right there. All right, so once you get everything out of the box and once you get past the user manual, you'll notice that you have a few accessories. So you get some tools, you get all your screws and bolts that you need to get it mounted, and you have some different mounting plates. So let's go over the main functions of this particular arm. Once again, this is a counterbalancing arm, so that way it adjusts for the weight of the monitor. This holds up to 44 pounds. So you have a wide variety of monitors that you can put on this. And one cool feature that this monitor arm that separates it from others, it has RGB built into it. So that's why you have this USB-A cable right here, and that powers the lights on the arm. The RGB has 20 different settings. We'll see that once we get this plugged up. This particular monitor can be used on various styles of monitors, but it really stands out when you have the Samsung Odyssey G9 because it's that same white color, and then it adds that RGB flare to the monitor arm to give you a nice looking setup. So let's go ahead, attach a monitor to this arm so we can see how it functions. I don't have the G9, but I do have a widescreen monitor. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get the clamp attached to the bottom of the arm. I've already taken the zip tie off this arm. Be careful when you're doing that because this is spring loaded. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is attach this bracket to the base. Take these. So next we're going to put the protective pad on here, so whenever we clamp this down, it protects the surface from getting scratched. Then we're going to attach this plate onto this bracket. So next you're going to place this in the position that matches the thickness of your desk. Now you can slide this on your desk, and when you make your adjustments, it's going to move the plate up. All right, so now we're going to place our monitor bracket on top of the arm. So the bracket's going to go this way. Then you have this plastic insert, which is going to go this way. And then you have this screw with your Allen key, which is going to go that way. All right, so now we're going to be attaching our monitor. Your monitor plate is already going to be on the arm. Just unscrew this knob here. That allows you to take off the plate. Now to make adjustment to the tension, we're just going to use our Allen key here. Go counterclockwise until you have nice tension according to the weight of your monitor. All right, now we're just going to place our monitor plate on the back. So that's going to go on just like this, and we'll use the 4 screws to screw this in. Once the monitor is on, we take the knob, place it back in. That secures it. Now we can adjust the tension so our monitor is straight. All right, so once we get our tension right, we have our monitor at the angle that we want, we're all set. Now we can plug in the USB and check out the RGB. Now once you get this all set up, you can see that it looks really nice. You have your RGB going, tap this button, you can scroll through the colors. You have 20 different color options. This also does go static. You have different patterns on here. There's your rainbow. All right, guys, there you have it. This is going to be the counterbalance monitor arm with RGB by RS Wing. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.